In this video, we're going to be going over question number 6 from the 2022 AP Calculus AB free response portion of the exam. Here we have the position of point P, and we have the velocity of point Q. So part A says, find the velocity of particle P at time x. So that means the velocity is the derivative of position. So derivative of 6 is 0. Negative 4e to the t becomes positive 4e to the negative t. And then we want the particle at time t, and that's really all we need to do. It's negative 4e to the negative t. Part B, we want to find the acceleration at time t, and then for all times when t is greater than 0, find when the speed is decreasing. So we have to first find the derivative. So a of q equals, now this is the same as t to the negative 2 power, so we want to think of this as power rule. So for acceleration, we have negative 2 t to the negative third, which is negative 2 over t cubed. Now that's only the first part. When speed is decreasing. Now that happens when acceleration and velocity have opposite signs. So what we have to ask is, all right, for t greater than 0, what do we know about the velocity? Well, 1 is positive, and t squared, anything squared is positive, so that means this is always positive. So then what about the acceleration? Well, t cubed, but we're plugging in positive numbers, so a positive number cubed is still positive, but we're dividing negative 2 by that number. So that means this will be negative. So that means for all values of t greater than 0, this particle is slowing down. Part C asks, find y of q, the position of particle q at time t. So that means we have to find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative of t to the negative 2 is going to be negative 1 over t plus c. But here we have this initial condition. So we have to find what c is equal to. So 2 equals negative 1 over 1 plus c, which means 3 equals c. So our particular position function is negative 1 over t plus 3. And then finally, part D asks, as t goes to infinity, which particle will eventually be further from the origin? So we're saying t is going to infinity. So x of p, the position of particle P, what is that approaching? Well, the 6 is a constant. That doesn't change. But E is going to approach negative infinity. Well, that means that this quantity is going to get closer and closer to 0. So that means x of p approaches 6. Now what about y of p? Position of particle y. If I go back here, 3 is a constant. As this goes to infinity, though, 1 over a number that's bigger and bigger, this part will get closer and closer to 0. So that means this will approach 3. So that means, particle, so that means particle P will be farther from the origin. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a like. If you noticed a mistake or found a different way of approaching the solution, type it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out all the other 2022 AP Calculus free response videos we have. Thanks for watching.